What's going on guys, my name is Kailash and in this video I'm going to share the best notes for computer science class 12 5. So if you like this video and wanna see more, be sure to smash the like button and get subscribed. So let's roll the intro. You must be thinking that what is so special about this PDF. So I must tell you that this PDF has revision, notes, exercises, practice questions with answers, and all the practice questions are past your Cbse problem. So you can solve them and earn a perfect 100 in your board exams. Now I would like to share my message. Thank you guys for your love and support. All the best for your exams. Top the exams with a perfect 100. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.